Today, in under 2 weeks, I am going to be reading 3 books and I'm going to be rating them out of 5 stars. The first book that we are reading is Powerful by Lauren Roberts, and it is a novella in the series of Powerless. Okay, so right now I'm on page 35. It's going good so far. I do like the characters and the storyline right now. We are in page 110 and there's 220 pages, so we're halfway through. I just finished reading Powerful. I really enjoyed it. The ending was quite sad. A couple things I didn't really like about the book is Adina and Mac. They're practically best friends on like the 15th page. They could have had the relationship a little bit slower so that there could be more pages and more stuff going on in the book, because the book was really short, to be honest. So I'm gonna give this book a 4 out of 5. I did enjoy it. I gave Powerful a 4 out of 5. Now we're gonna move on to Fearful by Lauren Roberts. Okay, I'm not going to lie. About a couple pages in, and I'm not a big fan of it. Like, I feel like it's a little bit boring, and it's with some characters that I literally don't even know. So far I'm not very interested in it, but I am like on like the 10th page, so I'm just gonna keep reading and hopefully it gets better. I also got some snacks with me, because why not? Okay guys, so we're on page 85. I think I'm gonna end it off at this page for today. I'm not really having a fun time reading this book too much. It did get a little bit better. I'm kind of forcing myself to read it, which was not ideal. But I don't want to just leave the book like this when I'm halfway through, so we're gonna have to read it. Alright guys, today's the 3rd day. We're still reading Fearful. I'm almost at the 100th page today. I was really busy and I came to school. It's more of a short time for me reading. Hello. I took a little bit of a break, so now we're back and I'm on page exactly 155, so there's only 45 pages left until we finish the book. I'm not gonna lie, the book did get better eventually, although it still feels like I'm forcing myself to actually read the book. It's like okay. Some parts are really, really good. Some parts are a little boring. I mean, it's still a good book. It's taking me a lot longer of a time to finish. I'm also tired of reading death every single sentence. I feel like they could have used a different word, because oh my gosh, it's in every single page, every single sentence, at least used 5 times, and I'm actually tired of it. So I feel like they can use different words or synonyms of death, because what is this? So I just finished reading Fearful. I have a lot of mixed emotions about this. Some parts were extremely boring and I kind of forced myself to read it, but I didn't just want to leave a book on my bookshelf unfinished, so therefore I had to finish it. The ending, I think page 199, got me shocked. I was not expecting that ending. But, you know, I was extremely bored. I didn't really like the characters in here. But I did like that there was a main character that was mysterious, and we got to learn more about them throughout the book. I'm gonna give this book a 2.5 stars. I simply didn't really like it, but you guys may enjoy it, so maybe give it a try. I personally wouldn't recommend this, but if you like the rest of the series, you might as well just give it a try. Okay guys, so I just finished reading Fearful. I gave it a 2.5 out of 5 stars. Now we're going to move on to The Inheritance Games by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. Very excited for this one. Alright guys, so I already started reading The Inheritance Games. It's actually really good. Like, it's definitely a different genre than I'm used to. It's more like a mystery. I'm on page, I think 65, but it's very fun. I'm breezing through it. I'm excited to what's gonna happen because I think there's gonna be some plot twists. Right now, there's a lot of random stuff going on and a lot of mysteries that have not been solved, so I'm very excited for that. But yeah, I'm just going to continue reading it, and hopefully we can get to maybe page 100 today. That could be pretty good. There's like 350 pages. It is the winter break, so there's no more schools. I think we can finish this in about 2 more days. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I'm exactly on page 152 in the Inheritance Games. So easy to follow along, and it just flows in perfectly. If you guys don't know about the book, I would definitely 100% recommend. It follows a girl, Avery Grams, who I think is 17 years old, and she was like in school, and she inherits billions of dollars randomly from this guy named Tobias, and he sadly passes away. But she pretty much moves in his mansion, and he has 4 grandsons, and the grandsons suspect her of planning this out and stealing his money. But there's like notes around the house that he has written to Avery, and riddles and puzzles, and she pretty much tries to figure it out. I think potentially she's gonna have a love interest in one of them, but I'm not very sure yet. And I also think that her mother has something to do with it because Avery's mother died. This is not a spoiler because it literally says on the first page that her mother died. But I think there's gonna be some secrets and plot twists coming up. Something crazy just happened. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue reading. Again, some shocking stuff going on right now. We're getting more answers. Okay guys, believe it or not, I finished the Inheritance Games today. I think I read like 170 pages, and it's only been like 2 hours. I just had to finish the book. There was so many plot twists. I was so shocked for like most of them that I did not even see coming. Yeah, very good book. I'm gonna give it a 4.8. I would recommend it for more like mystery and a lot of plot twists going on in the book, so I did enjoy it. It was very good. Okay guys, there you go. We finished all 3 books in exactly 1 week. So we aced the challenge. And the books that we read were Powerful, Fearful, and The Inheritance Games. I gave Powerful a 4 out of 5 stars. I gave Fearful a 2.5 out of 5 stars. And I gave The Inheritance Games a 4.8 out of 5 stars. The Inheritance Games was my favorite out of all these 3 books, and then Powerful, and then Fearful. But anyways guys, I will see you next time. Bye!